Welcome to Papa's Workshop. Let me ask you a question. Do you carry a pocket knife? Well, for many years now, I have carried a pocket knife with me just about every day. And over the years, I've had quite a variety of different types of knives that I've carried. And I use that so when I need to open a box, I've got a knife handy. And that's really the main purpose for it, is just to be able to have a handy knife when I need to open a package. But today I want to show you one that was sent to me, and this will be one more that you can take a look at. So let's get started. Another day in the shop with Papa in Papa's Workshop. To support my channel, please go to patreon.com/Papa's Workshop. Today we're going to be taking a look at this knife by Jellas. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notifications. Now this knife by Jellas is a folding knife, and it's great to be able to carry in your pocket. And what I like to be able to do is have a knife handy so that I can be able to open boxes or packages. And this is the knife right here. Now this has the easy to open spring action flip blade so that you can easily lock it. And it has the locking mechanism right here, and I'm not sure if you can see that in the camera. But it's all aluminum handle, has the stainless steel blade, and it has this blade right up here that I really like because that makes being able to cut string on packages and things very, very easy. It also has this striker. In case of emergency and you need to be able to escape from a vehicle, you can break the glass with this striker. So this is a very nice knife to be able to have just for everyday use. And it also has this little clip here that you can put on a belt if you prefer to do that. So I'm going to carry this knife with me now and see how I like it over the next few weeks. Now I'll put a link in the description below so that you can take a look at it closer. This is an inexpensive knife, and I have never been one to be able to buy expensive knives because quite frankly, I'll lose them, break them, who knows what. And I just want something easy to be able to carry that's lightweight and has some nice features. And I really like the features that this knife has. Now I want to say this too. As I open up this knife, it does not automatically lock in place. And you actually have to push this little mechanism over to be able to lock it. I'm not really fond of that. So that's actually a little bit of a worry. But as far as being able to release the blade, pushing that over, and then pushing this down is quite easy. Now the next feature I want to show you on this knife, if I get up close, you can see this has a little slide bar right here. And what that does, it actually locks this blade where it will not come open. And I like that. I have not had a knife with this feature on it before. So that's very nice to have. So all I need to be able to do is unlock that, and then it opens and it locks right in place. And after using this knife now for a few minutes, this little mechanism right here is working exactly as it should. So it was just a little stiff when it came out of the box. So now this opens up very easily and locks in position every time. And this locking mechanism is a very nice feature to be able to have. So I think this knife is worth checking out and looking at in more detail before you make your purchase. Now, this is not an affiliate link. This is just something that the company sent to me. I wanted to be able to show you. And the link's in the description so that you can take a look at it in more detail before you make the decision on whether you want to purchase this knife. But I think I'm going to carry this for a while. Now these are the type of knives that I typically will carry, and not all at once, just one knife. And most recently, this is the knife that I have been carrying because if the blade gets dull, I just take it out and toss it away and put another one in there. And this is really a utility knife, but it has worked real well for my needs. Another knife that I've carried for years, and you can see the wear on the blade, that this one, again, same purpose. It was just a knife that I carried that allowed me to be able to open packages and such as I needed to. And then here are just a couple more examples that I've had over the years. And like I said, most recently, this is typically the one I have in my pocket. Now this knife that I actually carried with me for years has the same type of mechanism here. You just slide this over and you're able to close it. And like I said, I carried this knife with me for many years, and it provides some excellent service. And now for the next few weeks, I'm going to go ahead and carry this knife with me and see how I like it. I like the design. I like the features of this striker. I also like the feature of having this blade right here where you can cut the string, or for that matter, in an emergency situation, if you needed to cut the seatbelt, that's a real handy tool. I like the fact that it's lightweight. Now the handle of this knife is all molded aluminum, which makes it where it's very lightweight. And the blade itself and the case of this knife is stainless steel. And that also makes it where it would be easy to be able to maintain and to sharpen. I think this will be a good knife to be able to have for an everyday carry for those times when you need to be able to cut a particular package or something. Thank you for watching the video today. I do think that this is going to be a nice knife to be able to carry just for everyday use when you need to be able to cut the packages or anything that you need to be able to cut. But it's also something that I want to remind you, I'm going to have the link in the description below so that you can take a closer look at this. Now this is an inexpensive knife, and I'm not one that's been a connoisseur of expensive knives with all kind of different features and things in it. That's just not my thing. But I do like to be able to have a knife with me every day to be able to have it, so when I need one, I have one. So if you liked the video today, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the little bell notification down there so that you'll be notified on all the videos that I upload. So again, thank you for watching, and take a look at this knife and see what you think. Please leave some comments down below on what you think about this type of knife to be able to have with you every day. I look forward to reading the comments and see what you guys think about this knife. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing each and every one of you on the next video. Bye-bye now.